Hello. So I have skipped I think 1 or 2 days and today I'm recording so that I am in continuation of recording videos irrespective of what the content is, and now it's just a raw form of my videos. People may understand, may relate to it, even though I'm not giving examples. I have accumulated many situations and I have said in a raw form itself as soon as it was coming inside me, and I was just dictating it, because when I start writing, uh, the brilliant words, ideas coming inside, popping up, may lose its value, may diminish. So we'll always have many examples to the videos I have made in the positive side as well as negative side, and we can relate it. So now people who don't understand the content I am saying about, don't worry, we will soon get examples. There are many examples around us. The content is very raw. It's only that what is coming out, I need some backups because I do write, but it delays. How we speak, we can be speedy, but how fast we can write what we are thinking. So this way. And I think it's better that we speak about, because we may reach many. Otherwise, the main or important things may lie down in the books inside a drawer. There may be many people who must have written many good contents, experiences, but they have not spoken about in front of anyone. It may be some constraint about it, or they don't know how to be anonymous and speak about it. They want people to know, but they cannot speak. The person who wants people to know, but the same person is not able to speak about what he thinks about them, the correction they requires, the society, the correction is required, because sometimes it's about emotions, it's about relation, it's about fear, it's about life and death situation. In how positive way I should convey, then why should I take the risk? I better write it down in my book and keep it inside my shelf. Someday some people, when I pass away, departed, they will read my book, my diary, and know my thoughts, and that time they will understand. No matter how I tried them to make them feel the way I feel, but I could not convince them or make them feel the way I feel. Somewhere I'm short, lost of words, though I have so many words in my diary. But while speaking to my ones, to the peoples, to the dears, not so dears, I am afraid I am not able to speak about. in front of them. I stammer. I shiver. The big I write in my book, but as soon as I go to them, they judge me that you're reading still from the books. You should remember what you have written. I'm judged for my short memory. It's better that I write in my diary and keep it aside. Someday someone will read, the person who can relate to it, who has gone through it, will understand with the tear in his eyes. I should have not said him this. Today I am facing the same situation in some other way. Now I know you. I understand you, but you're far away. So this is the situation, like the poetry, and it's real. Real in the sense the situation is real, but I don't know who the person is behind. So I and others cannot say this situation is not real. This can be anyone in the world. So now I feel after this poetry that it's better that I start speaking about directly without writing, because something which pops up, maybe in raw form, it's not poetic. It may be like unmusical. It may sound like what speaking. You are not in your frame. Your mindset is not clear. You are not the person who has achieved some goal. How can you speak about something? How will I get success? Success is not from zero. Success till I reach. The time I get the appraisal, the appreciation from people will be the success. No matter how, what I have gone through. It may be very low or it may be neutral. I may be in my comfort at home and speaking about for myself or some maybe other or some other experiences. So that doesn't mean that success is not for me. But I have framed this is my hard work. I'm speaking about it because I read and understand and how much I can be the poetic person. I cannot be some other person who has gone through very low, had many shortfalls, but one day, after so many hard works, one day they got the success. So we say, see, they have done so much of hard work. That's why they have reached their goals. They have met people who have always criticized them. But the person who was determined has reached the goal. Then now I think that what is the shortfall in me? Even I can hear criticism, and I have heard not that much that low that the other person had, not that much determination that the other person has. I'm lost in the world what to do. Should I copy the other person who was so determined and took the criticism but reached the goal? But I am not strong enough because I am not the same person. Nor do I have same determination because I am not the same person. If I am not the same person, how could I take criticism? And that, do you mean because I'm not the same person, I have not reached the goal? Because my determination is lacking from that person? Like that person? We are our own teacher. We are self-learning. It's only just because I did not get few illness, few problems, major casualties. Won't I will reach the goal of success? I'm not talking about only the money. I'm talking about reaching a goal. If I'm not had done hard work, how could I have been now speaking in a poetic way, framing words, though in raw form, speaking what is coming inside me, and I now get stuck somewhere, voice gets low, because it's not easy to frame few sentences in other languages. In other determination, in other effort, in other way, in the people showing the way, the path of achievement. How truthful it is, how accuracy it is, how authentic it is. So do I need to set example? Because I had already examples on earth. That without problems you won't have experience. Without fallen you won't get up. Without jump you won't get increment. Without criticism you won't have memory. And without the story behind you, you can't show your success, why you are number one on this position now. I always need to have some sad story behind. Who is my determination? How shortfall I had in my life. What luxuries I didn't had. How much less money we had. How parents managed it. Are anyone, because till now I have not read anything about such kids whose parents are successful and the kids are equally successful, to tell the story behind that I never had any problem, I never had any criticism, I always had appreciation, I never had any goal to achieve, I was never pressurized, but still I am a number one person in the world. Is there anyone to say this story? Why we always have some stories like which shows that ignore people who are negative to you? You know what you feel at that time? Why these people are blaming me? What harm I have done? Why God is not standing or saying something? But one day my story somebody else will say, or even if I say, I will say the criticizers were our best friend. Because of them today I am standing tall. Will I say how much pain I had with a single criticism while eating the food? Even while walking through, even through achieving, do we have to state examples that these criticism has pushed forward us to achieve our goals? Are we setting examples, or is already set in our mind that whoever in this world has achieved only through the criticisms behind them, the push force behind them? Walk through the straight line, then only you will achieve the success. See other people, observe them, how they have done. See the number one person, the rank holder, how he did, you do the same thing. This is what has created a chain. And this reason has created competition in the world. I would like to clear it. Because of this chain reaction, today we have so much of competition in the world. Few years back, I have seen so much of competition in school. Students were so much pressurized by their own parents. Competition. And then it gave a downfall because there was a government who had materialized few things. But I won't say the chemical reaction still in this chain method has not left the effect. Still this is there. The competition lies in that field also, where we are learning. That is a basic learning. We are in our development growth phase. If we learn competition in school, where we will reach once we are grown up, because the world around us will be highly competitive and we may not be that productive. If I am 5 years old, I am in competition. I will repeat my sentence. I am in competition. But when I reach 21, 25 years of my age, the world will see so much of competitive increment, high risk, but still productive. And that world which doesn't have anything but just a shell outside and inside is empty, a shell which has outer cover which is hard but inside it's hollow. So world has become that. There are great wall outsides but it's hollow inside. So much of demand, so much of competition. But when this 5-year-old reaches 21, how it will have success? Because the walls have changed. The shell has hardened. The competition he learnt in his race during his period while studying, and the moment he reached the gate outside the world, that I will now enter the world, work what I have heard till now. Earlier he was hearing, right? Stories. This is required, that is required. But the moment he walks for an interview, there comes the truth. You still need to study. Your GK is less. So much of competition. I was going through a video of UPSC exam. So a UPSC student, rank holder, was asked a question that how will you bifurcate this question in the form of chemical compounds, because she was a science student. So UPSC rank holders, they go for IAS interview. So in IAS interview, a science student was asked the social problems from the state she belongs, the problems that state has, and to bifurcate into chemical compound, and she couldn't answer it. This is what is the world about. We have learned in the books so and so is a chemical, but if the outer problem, the world outside problems, your state problem, your country problem, if they start asking the questions that imagine that these problems are chemical compounds, what names will you give to these chemical compounds? She was 65 rank holder and she couldn't answer. So this is what we are about now today, in so much of competition that we have to be again philosophical. This is philosophy. We have to be philosophical even for government interviews. That if you get a query in such a way, even a metaphor, the problems you have to solve in the given way. So that was a code which she had to decode. But she said, can I get 1 minute? So she got 1 minute. But she said, sorry sir, I couldn't answer this. So then he started some other question. But that question clicked me, that with so much of study and sitting right in front of the interviewers, what question you will get even after being so read about, prepared about, so many years you have given for that interview, but still you won't know what questions will comes in the exam. This is what I am saying. Why we have to answer so many questions which is not relative and which is beyond science. Why? So how productive you need to be while studying? How imaginative you have to be right from the childhood. What imagination we want from the kids who are learning science, and one day if they go for an interview and they are asked about chemical reactions, when one is angry and other is not angry, what are the chemical reactions between them? So now they are saying these questions are highly intelligent questions. If they are asking, if an interviewer asks such questions, so he is very intelligent. because he is sitting in a position, in a chair where he can ask questions. But it's been recorded, and it shows that again we are supposed to prepare more. We have not prepared, we were not prepared for such question. This is already 25 minutes video, so I thought to talk about this. I have written few things what I like in my books, and few things which I can't speak about. This was already asked in a interview, so I have discussed it. So I am getting stuck. I stop my video here, and if I get more knowledge about discussion, some debate, so I will definitely talk in my other video. With this, I end this video.